Welcome to our channel, where we transform your curiosity into tangible skills. Today, we're peeling back the layers of a profession that has become a cornerstone of the digital era: copywriting. As the thumbnail suggests, this video is a comprehensive guide, Copywriting 101, your guide to earning big in 2024. We'll delve into the world of copywriting, exploring its ins and outs, its ups and downs, and most importantly, how you can turn it into a profitable skill. We'll be answering questions like, what is copywriting? How can I become a copywriter? And how much can I earn as a copywriter? So, if you've ever been fascinated by the power of words and how they can shape perceptions and drive actions, then you're in the right place. Grab a pen and a notebook or just sit back and soak in the information. Either way, we promise you an insightful journey. Let's get started, shall we? Hello everybody, welcome to this edition of Analyzing the Different Ways of Making Money Online. Ever wondered if you could turn your way with words into a profitable skill? Well, you're not alone. Countless individuals have discovered the power of copywriting, a discipline that combines creativity, strategy, and persuasive language to drive action and generate revenue. Imagine this. You're crafting compelling narratives, engaging taglines, and persuasive calls to action, all while comfortably seated in your favorite coffee shop or the comfort of your own home. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? That's the life of a copywriter. Copywriting is more than just writing. It's about understanding the human psyche, what motivates us, what drives our decisions, and using this understanding to create powerful messages that resonate with people, influencing their behavior and ultimately their purchasing decisions. Perhaps you're wondering, why now? Well, we're living in the digital age, an era where content is king and copywriters are the royal scribes. Businesses, both big and small, are constantly on the lookout for talented copywriters to help them connect with their target audiences, convey their brand stories, and sell their products or services. To put it in perspective, every website you visit, every email you open, every product you purchase has been influenced in some way by a copywriter. That's the power of copywriting, and the best part, it's a skill that can be learned, honed, and perfected. Whether you're a seasoned writer looking to diversify your skills, a student seeking a rewarding side hustle, or a stay-at-home parent looking for a flexible career option, copywriting could be your golden ticket. But it's not all roses and rainbows. Like any career, copywriting has its challenges. It requires dedication, persistence, and a constant desire to learn and improve. But for those willing to put in the work, the rewards can be tremendous. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, it's time to dive into the world of copywriting. So, what exactly is copywriting and why does it matter? Let's dive into the world of copywriting, a craft that's been around for centuries and yet continues to be an integral part of our daily lives. At its core, copywriting is the art of writing text for the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing. The goal? To persuade the reader, viewer, or listener to take a specific action. That action could be anything from purchasing a product, signing up for a newsletter, to adopting a certain viewpoint. Now, why is copywriting important? Well, in our information-saturated world, effective communication is vital. Copywriting helps businesses and organizations communicate their message in a compelling and engaging way. It grabs attention, stirs emotions, and prompts action. It's the persuasive power of copywriting that makes it a cornerstone of marketing and communication strategies. But copywriting is not confined to advertising alone. It's everywhere. Consider the catchy headlines of news articles that draw you in, the compelling narratives in books and movies, the persuasive speeches that motivate and inspire, or even the succinct product descriptions that convince you to click that buy button. All of these are examples of copywriting. In the business world, copywriting plays a crucial role in branding and public relations. It helps shape a company's image and voice, and it's the driving force behind successful marketing campaigns. For nonprofits, copywriting is essential in fundraising efforts, sharing their mission, and rallying support. In the digital landscape, copywriting is key in search engine optimization or SEO. It's the well-crafted copy that helps websites rank higher in search engine results, driving more traffic and potential customers to the site. In the realm of social media, copywriting is the magic behind those viral posts and engaging content that keep you scrolling for hours. It's the witty captions, the thought-provoking quotes, and the compelling stories that resonate with us and make us click, share, and comment. As you can see, copywriting is everywhere and its power to influence is enormous. Copywriting requires more than just a knack for words. It's like crafting a beautiful piece of furniture. You need the right tools and the necessary skills to shape the raw materials into a product that not only looks good, but also serves a specific purpose. Let's start with the first tool, creativity. In the world of copywriting, creativity is your chisel. It helps you carve out unique, compelling content that stands out in the sea of words on the internet. It's about painting a picture with your words that resonates with your audience, compelling them to take action. Creativity is not just about being original, it's about being relevant and engaging. Now, onto the second tool, research skills. Think of this as your measuring tape. It helps you understand the dimensions of your task, who your audience is, what they want, and how best to reach them. A good copywriter is a good researcher. The more you understand your audience, the better you can tailor your message to fit their needs and wants. The third tool is an understanding of your target audience. This is your blueprint. Without this, you can't begin to design your piece. You need to know who you're writing for, what their interests are, what problems they're facing, and what language they use. The more intimately you understand your audience, the more effectively you can communicate with them. Finally, we have knowledge of SEO. This is akin to your sandpaper. It smoothens out your content, making it easily discoverable by search engines. Understanding SEO helps you craft content that not only appeals to your audience, but also ranks high on search engine results. It's about using the right keywords, creating quality content, and ensuring a great user experience. Remember, just like any craftsman, you'll improve with practice. You'll find your rhythm, discover what works, and develop your unique style. With these tools in your toolbox, you'll be well equipped to start your journey into copywriting. You've got the interest, you've got the tools, now how do you get the skills? Embarking on the journey to learn copywriting is like setting sail into an ocean of words, persuasion, and creativity. And like any journey, it's essential to have a map. That's where online courses come in. They're like your personal GPS to guide you. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer a plethora of courses, both free and paid, tailored for beginners to advanced learners. Some focus on fundamentals, while others delve into specialized areas like SEO copywriting or social media content creation. Yet, don't just stop at online courses. Books are your compass, guiding you through the vast sea of copywriting. They provide a deeper understanding, often sharing insights from seasoned professionals. Titles like The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert Bly or Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini are great places to start. They equip you not just with techniques, but with the art of persuasion, the very heart of copywriting. Now, imagine you're in the middle of the ocean. You've learned how to navigate, but learning isn't enough. You need to row your boat, to practice. Just as a pianist practices scales or a painter sketches, a copywriter write every day about anything and everything. You could start a blog, create social media content, or even rewrite existing ads for practice. The more you write, the more your skills will grow. Yet, no journey is complete without a crew, people who can offer feedback and guidance. Join copywriting communities, engage in discussions, share your work, and don't shy away from critiques. Remember, every piece of feedback is a chance to learn and improve. Learning copywriting is a process, but with dedication and practice, you can master it. It's a craft that requires time, patience, and perseverance. But once you've learned to navigate the vast ocean of words, once you've practiced your strokes and listened to your crew, you'll find yourself not just afloat, but sailing smoothly towards the horizon of success. So set sail, future copywriters, the ocean of words awaits you. A strong portfolio is your ticket to landing copywriting gigs. Remember that? Now let's dive into how you can build a compelling copywriting portfolio. First and foremost, don't be afraid to start small. Small projects are the stepping stones to larger ones. They provide you with experience, and more importantly, they give you material to add to your portfolio. This could be anything from writing product descriptions for a local business to crafting emails for a friend's startup. No project is too small when you're starting out. Once you've got a couple of projects under your belt, it's time to diversify. The key here is to show potential clients that you can write in different styles and for different industries. Write a blog post, create a print ad, draft a press release, or try your hand at social media content. The more varied your portfolio, the more appealing you'll be to a wide range of clients. Diversifying doesn't stop at writing for different mediums though. It's also about showcasing different tones and voices. Can you write an engaging, humorous piece as well as a serious, informative one? Great. Show that off in your portfolio. Next, remember to keep things current. Regularly update your portfolio with your latest and greatest pieces. This shows that you're active, improving, and invested in your craft. And don't forget to include any successful results from your copy if you have them. After all, copywriting is about generating results. Lastly, presentation matters. Your portfolio should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and free from errors. It should showcase not just your writing skills, but also your attention to detail and professionalism. Building a strong portfolio takes time and effort, but it's worth it. It's your chance to impress potential clients and show them what you're capable of. So don't rush it. Take the time to create a portfolio that truly represents your skills and abilities. A diverse and powerful portfolio will showcase your skills and open doors to opportunities. Keep this in mind as you embark on your copywriting journey. Now that you're ready to work, where do you find copywriting jobs? This is the question that is likely on your mind right now, and it's a good one. Finding copywriting jobs may seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Let's start with job boards. There are countless job boards out there, both general and specialized. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor are great places to start. However, don't overlook the power of niche job boards. Websites like ProBlogger, Media Bistro, and FlexJobs often have copywriting jobs listed. But what if you're not finding what you're looking for on job boards? Well, that's where networking comes into play. Networking is all about building relationships, and it's an essential part of finding copywriting jobs. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be shy about reaching out to people in your field. You never know who might have a job lead or who could introduce you to someone who does. In addition to job boards and networking, there's another method you can use to find copywriting jobs, and that's pitching. Pitching involves reaching out to potential clients directly and proposing your services. This may sound intimidating, but it can be incredibly effective. When you pitch, make sure you do your research. Understand the client's needs and explain how your skills can help fill them. Be professional, but don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. After all, you're not just selling your skills, you're selling yourself. And if you get a no, don't be discouraged. Rejection is a part of the process. Every no is an opportunity to learn and improve. And remember, every no is one step closer to a yes. So there you have it. Job boards, networking, and pitching are three powerful methods you can use to find copywriting jobs. It may take time, it may take persistence, but with these methods, you can find the right job for you. Remember, every no is one step closer to a yes. Keep pitching, keep networking, and you'll find the right job. Let's talk about money. How do you price your copywriting services? This question can be a bit daunting, especially for new copywriters. But fear not, with the right strategy, you'll be able to price your services competitively and fairly. Firstly, it's essential to understand market rates. These are the average prices that copywriters charge for their services. You can find this information online or by networking with other professionals in the industry. Keep in mind, though, that these rates can vary significantly depending on the industry, geographical location, and the nature of the project. Now let's talk about experience. As a newbie in the copywriting world, it's understandable if you feel like you should charge less than more experienced writers. While it's true that experience can command higher rates, don't undersell yourself. Your fresh perspective and eagerness to deliver top-notch work are valuable assets. So even if you're just starting, don't be afraid to charge a fair price for your services. The scope of the project is another crucial factor in pricing. A short, straightforward project should cost less than a complex, long-term assignment. When assessing the project's scope, consider the research it requires, the number of revisions that might be needed, and the time it will take to complete. Let's not forget about value-based pricing. This approach involves charging based on the value your copywriting will bring to the client. For example, if your copywriting is expected to increase a client's sales by a significant margin, you can justify charging a higher rate. Negotiation is also part of the pricing process. If a client proposes a rate that you feel undervalues your work, don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, your skills and time are valuable, and it's important to advocate for fair compensation. In conclusion, pricing your services is a balancing act between understanding market rates, assessing your experience level, considering the project's scope, and recognizing the value you bring to the table. Pricing your services correctly is crucial to earning a decent income from copywriting. So take the time to price your services thoughtfully, and you'll be well on your way to a successful copywriting career. Copywriting is not just a job, it's a promising career with a bright future. As we look ahead, there are a few key trends that will shape the landscape of copywriting. Firstly, the rise of artificial intelligence. AI has started to play a role in copywriting, with machines being able to generate basic content. However, this doesn't mean that human copywriters will become obsolete. Far from it. While AI can generate content, it lacks the human ability to understand emotion, context, and nuance. It cannot create the kind of compelling, emotionally resonant copy that truly connects with readers. This is where human copywriters shine. Copywriting is an art, a craft. It requires creativity, imagination, and a deep understanding of human psychology. These are skills that cannot be replicated by a machine. In fact, as AI takes over the more mundane aspects of content generation, human copywriters will have more time to focus on creating truly impactful copy. Secondly, the demand for skilled copywriters is set to increase. In an increasingly digital world, content is king. Businesses need compelling copy to stand out from the crowd, to connect with their customers, and to drive sales. This means that there will be a steady demand for talented copywriters who can deliver high-quality content. In addition to this, the rise of remote work has opened up opportunities for copywriters all over the world. No longer confined to a specific location, copywriters can now work for clients from any corner of the globe. This means more opportunities, more diversity, and more potential for growth. In conclusion, the future of copywriting is bright. It's a future where human creativity is valued more than ever, where opportunities are abundant, and where the demand for skilled copywriters is high. It's a future that is ripe with potential, and it's a future that you could be a part of. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are certainly worth it. The future of copywriting is bright, and you could be a part of it. So, are you ready to start your copywriting journey? We've walked through the fascinating world of copywriting. We've uncovered what it is and the tools you'll need to thrive in this craft. We've explored how to learn copywriting and the importance of building an impressive portfolio. We've talked about how to find copywriting jobs and how to price your services effectively. And we've peeked into the future of copywriting, a future that's ripe with opportunities. There's no denying that copywriting is a craft that demands creativity, a way with words, and a keen understanding of the audience. It's an exciting journey, one that can lead to earning a good income while doing something you love. But remember, every journey begins with a single step, and that step is yours to take. So why wait? Embrace the craft, hone your skills, and make your mark in the world of copywriting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment as we dig deep in more trends of how to make money online.